So here is the view, and what you see there are people climbing up there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Solo GS Starter Gavesh. Pritam here, he's his KTM. Emmanuel is here on his Kawasaki and me on my BMW. We left very early in the morning, what, 6:30? 6:30 morning we left Katy. We're here in Giddings, Texas, and we on our way to Grand Canyon. So exciting day, very cold, unexpected cold, so we pull over and we're pulling over all the heated gear, so you're seeing here. But now we're ready to hit back on the road. We're gonna fill it up and hop back on the road. Talk to you all later.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze.
What an interesting day so far. The weather has been extremely cold. We left Bucky's, that was in Katy, Texas, like around 6:30, and of course I did not log everything because it was dark anyway, so I could not do any of the logging. But it was suddenly, we were under the impression that the weather would be around 65, 70, nice comfort to drive throughout the day today, but that was not the case.
The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless.
Hey guys, so yeah, we stopped here somewhere, I just don't know the town, but we just had a Taco Bell here, and now we're just we just filled up the tank, and Emmanuel and Pritam, here is Emmanuel right there and Pritam right there. They're filling up their tank, and then we're just gonna hop back on the road. Nothing much to see today, guys. It's just a straight road from here Texas all the way to the New Mexico, so nothing much. But as we run into a good scenic route, I will turn the GoPro on and show you all what we're doing. But here is my bike that I loaded up. Here is how it looks. This is the camping supply, it's in here. This is my sleeping bag in here, my food, clothes in here, and some of the equipments and battery and pump and all that stuff. So yeah guys, so we're just gonna hop back on the road now.
Because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold.
Hey guys, we are here at the campsite, and we started our camping to eat. So here is our tents are set up right here, as you can see. And here Pritam has started cooking Maggie, and I have started putting the pulao. So if you look at our camping has begun. Food preparation has already started. So yeah, all we're gonna do is eat the food, guys, and then chill out. So talk to you all later. Morning guys, this is our day 2 trip to Grand Canyon. We camped out here last night. Look at the sun out there. It's nice sunny day, but it's extremely cold. Pritam, he's ready. I got my bike ready here, and we have Emmanuel. He's getting his bike ready, and I got some stuff. Those are sitting up there, right there, that I still need to put it on. But we had a fantastic day here. What you say, Pritam, right?
Yes.
We camped out here.
Awesome.
Fantastic day, awesome.
Awesome experience.
And this campground in this city, Big Spring, Texas, it's not advertised anywhere, but this campground is free. And anybody can come stay here up to 5 days. So this is really good. And that's the golf course right behind the campsite. It's a beautiful golf course.
We didn't bring our gloves.
Yes, we did not bring our gloves and all that. So yeah, I'm sorry, but we're on an adventure here. So plan today is we're gonna leave from here. Our plan is to get to the Gila National Forest via White Sand and CloudCroft, guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna load our stuff, get ready. I'll put my gears on and get ready for the route. Talk to you all later. So this is guys highway 180. Look at this straight road. Nothing else is on the road. And all you see on the left side here is oil field or farmland. And on the right side here, the same thing, all the farmland. Interesting. Okay guys, so we are about to go into the New Mexico. We'll just stop here and taking break and take a picture, and then we're good to go. So guys, we are passing through now New Mexico, and we will cross into Arizona. I don't know if we'll be able to do today or not. Took us about a day and a half to cross all the way from Houston all the way to the West Texas and to New Mexico. So but yeah, we're gonna fill it up here and hop back on the road. Okay guys, so we just stopped here. The beautiful view coming up ahead. Look at we came from this direction and we're going this way. Look at all the nice hills and curvy and twisties. And we stopped for a quick break here, so let's back on the road. Fantastic! And looks like they just paved all these roads, just new. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Awesome twisting. We're not riding fast because our bikes are loaded. And we don't want to ride fast in twisties anyway because of the load. You just never know. So this is Lincoln National Forest, guys. We just made it to Lincoln National Forest, and now we are about to go to CloudCroft, and from there go south another scenic road. So we ready? 3 beautiful looking bike. Look at this Ninja 1000, R1250 GS, and the Beast KTM. So we're ready to go now back again on the road. again, we have no cell phone coverage. One thing I want to tell you guys, that's why I'm carrying this device right here. It's the Zolio satellite communication device. So if you don't have a cell reception in the area, and obviously we are riding in mountains, forests, and all the desert area, so we're not gonna have cell. We're gonna have basically a spotty cell reception. So this basically what I do is I hit this check button, I press it, and basically what it does is send to my wife or my family and say, hey, Kate, I'm safe, this is my coordinates. And it comes with the iOS and iPhone app where you can also send the text messages or even over 200 characters messages or a long messages or whoever you want to send it to. So it's really helpful for sure. But for now, I'm enjoying my scenic route. So we are entering into a CloudCroft city, and this place tomorrow morning, guys, it's gonna be icy, snowy, about 5 to 8 inches of snow. Our plan was to stay here, but we decided to kind of pass through today, push it a little bit on riding. But look at this view. Woo! Unbeatable, unbelievable. Alright guys, so this is a beautiful town, CloudCroft, New Mexico, and we're gonna hit back again on that direction and ride down through the mountains. Okay, that Emmanuel is leading. In the middle is Pritam, and here is the bridge where we can take nice pictures. Look at this beautiful scenic view. It's fantastic. This used to be a I don't know the history behind this, but is this used to be a train or something? Yeah, this might be a train. Yeah, that used to go through. Again, I'm wrong. History is right there. But look at this view, fantastic view. We are here in CloudCroft, New Mexico. It's called the Mountain Exertion. Yeah, it used to be a railroad. That's what I said, guys. This used to be a railroad. So with the railroad come people searching for respite in the cool, clean air of the mountains. Mexican canyon style. Now look at this fantastic view. It's just fantastic, guys. It's so beautiful. See this? It's amazing. Look at all the mountains all the way up there. Okay guys, we're gonna enjoy here for a little bit and then hop back on the road.
In your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes.
Look at this!
With pins and patches,
Fabulous!
we carry on.
This is fabulous, guys!
I hear from your passion, my doubts
Wow.
are gone.
And we're gonna go into the tunnel. And it says Lincoln National Forest Tunnel. Fantastic stupidity. Look at this view. Fantastic. Wow. This is mountain view in Lincoln National Forest. Beautiful, amazing, scenic view. And you see all the way there, those are all mountains. And we are going to go through the road that you see up there. I don't know how good you can see, but there's a road that goes from there, down below, all the way up, down. So that's how we're gonna go through. Fantastic. This is beautiful.
See the climbers out there?
So here is the view. And what you see there are people climbing up there. You see? Right there. Right where my finger, right above my finger, people are climbing. I don't have a heart to do that. Beautiful, amazing forest that we rode through today and still left to do. Alright guys, talk to you all later. Now we're gonna go to ride the remaining loop, and plan is to go to, we're gonna stay at the hotel tonight. So our plan is to stay at the hotel, and hopefully we'll be ready. Yeah, I saw that. Hopefully we'll be ready early morning tomorrow and head towards the White Sand National Forest. But look at this beautiful, you can see my excitement, guys. Look at this beautiful behind me right there. Oh man, look at this. Right there, the people climbing. And we're back. Fantastic, guys. All right, we are gonna go get ready and hop back on a bike now. This is the view for you all. Like I said, you have to come here to see this beauty. Destination for today. Alright, this is what our buddy Emmanuel found. Beautiful place, location awesome. It's the Holiday Inn Express. That's where we're gonna stay. They're gonna be famous on my YouTube channel. So Holiday Inn Express, we're staying at your location, so you may want to consider about some sponsorship here. I'm just kidding, but I would take it if you give it to me. Okay, so here we are. Let's check in.